So what's up, guys? We're coming back with another video. So this guy right here, it's in a separate video, and when I'm waiting on parts, and so while I'm waiting on parts, it came to my attention that I need an anchor. That's why my hands are all dirty, so don't worry about my dirty hands right now, but we're gonna go look for scrap metal, and we're gonna weld together an anchor of some sorts, because I have to have an anchor for the boat. It drifts way too much. So I've been doing research, watching YouTube videos, figuring this out. We're gonna go to the scrap metal pile and just look and see if we can't find something that might be able to work in our favor as an anchor. Really compelling stuff here. I got told I could use anything right here. All right, so that's gonna be the top of the anchor. They say if you are a bad welder, you have to be a good grinder. So hopefully it does the trick. I never claimed to be a welder. You know, just because we have a welder doesn't mean I know how to use it. I try though. And if it works, it works. If not, oof, you know what I mean? So let's go out here. I think I have kind of an idea of what I'm going to use as like the stem pieces. But we really have to see. So hopefully, I don't know how much it is for these, but hopefully it works. I think, well, one will do the trick. Okay, so basically what I did was I got two pieces like that, and then I'll have this piece, and this piece will kind of go, let's get it all set up. I don't know why the gas ain't going, but we'll figure it out. So that piece is gonna go centered up. It's about 13. That piece is centered up right there. And then we'll clean that up with the welder. But the grinder. But what will it be? So then I'll take these two pieces like that and basically attach them like that. And that's gonna be our anchor. And hopefully it works. If not, we're kind of out of luck anyways. Here it is. I'm not a welder, but it's hot. I'm gonna let it cool down. I'm gonna grab that other rope that I have, and we got an anchor, and that should work, I hope. We're gonna go try it out though. What's up, guys? So we are out on the lake, and this is kind of the second half of the video. We're out on Sulphur, and we're gonna try out my homemade, you can put the pole back. We're gonna try out the homemade anchor. All right, so I'm going to hand the phone to my filmer here, Derek. Okay, so we're gonna cut the motor. Here's the thing. We have a rope here. This should be a floating rope. There we go. Like it's getting, I can feel it. It's getting caught. I just wanted to see if my design would work for an anchor and hold us in place, but I should have thrown it off the front. What is that? Oh. But it's good. But I just wanted to cast a couple times, try out the new anchor, and cast a couple times out here just to see if we could catch anything. And then today we're going to Utah, so we're going to get some more fishing equipment for the boat. I haven't decided yet, but I think, what do you think? Do you think the anchor's working, dude? Now trying to get it up might be sketchy, right? It worked, dude. All right. Let's have some fun. You still recording? Let's see how good I am at loading. Oh, bro, we were sitting right there. I can see down there. Dang. We made it right in time because it was getting hairy out there. Woo!